Learn how to read live Siemens Logo 8 values directly in Excel using Field Connection. Open Microsoft Excel, then select the cell where the Siemens Logo value is to be displayed. Open the Field Connection ribbon tab by clicking Field Connection. Next, in the ribbon tab, click Siemens Logo 8, and Logo 8 Read to open the Siemens Logo 8 Read task pane. Enter the IP address of the Siemens Logo controller. Adjust the port and timeout settings if required. Then select the memory area and address to read. In this example, the digital input I2 is read. Click OK, and the formula with its arguments is added to the selected cell. Now the live value of digital input 2 will be shown in the cell. The value will be updated continuously, so when the input state changes, it will be updated in Excel as well.